The BOSCH GCM12SD Miter Saw features a unique Axial-Glide system offering wider crosscuts and enhanced alignment, making it a standout in precision and performance. With a powerful 15-amp motor delivering speeds of 4,000 revolutions per minute, this miter saw ensures quick and accurate cuts across various materials. Designed for convenience and versatility, it supports a range of 12-inch blades and features a clear guard for unobstructed visibility of the cut line. The saw's intuitive controls, including upfront bevel and miter controls with common angle detents, make adjustments straightforward and efficient. Its robust all-metal bevel lock lever and range selector are conveniently located up front, allowing for easy bevel adjustments without the need to reach behind the saw. Included with the saw are a 12-inch 60-tooth carbide-tipped blade, a wrench, a toolless vertical work clamp, a dust bag, and a vacuum adapter elbow for comprehensive functionality.